Creating KB articles in Brisk Support. To add a new knowledge base article, go to the KB Articles page, click New KB Article, then provide the title, main content, and select the language. When finished, click Create KB Article to save. Continue watching for more details on how to create KB articles in Brisk Support. The Knowledge Base Articles page is used to create, review, edit, or delete KB articles that can be used by agents replying to support emails and tickets. Navigate to the KB Articles page by clicking on the tab on the left of the page. Administrators are able to add and edit KB articles. Agent permissions can be set in account settings to allow agents to also create and edit KB articles. To create a new KB article, click New KB Article and enter the KB title and the content. Select the language from the drop-down at the bottom of the dialog. Once complete, click Create KB Article to save. Keep in mind that the language cannot be changed after creation. If you need a different language, delete the KB article and create it again. To preview an article, simply click the title in the list. The preview will display beneath the list. Hide the preview by clicking the minus symbol at the top next to the title preview. Expand the preview again by clicking the plus button. The Actions drop-down beside each article provides options to edit the article's title or contents, delete it permanently, or view it in the display area below the list. For more Brisk Support tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.